Hello dear children, this video is on lesson experiments with water. In this video, we will discuss some question and answers. Before start questions, see important points from this lesson. 1. Things like wooden boat, soap case, iron ship, empty plastic bottle, etc. float on water. 2. Things like soap, needle, iron nail, etc. sink in water. 3. Things like eggs and lemon float on salty water. 4. Things like sugar, milk, lemon juice, etc. dissolve in water. 5. Things like sand, oil, chalk powder, etc. do not dissolve in water. 6. Water changes into water vapor on heating. 7. Salt can be made by drying the seawater in the sun. When seawater evaporates, it results in the formation of salt. 8. Gandhiji, along with several people, undertook Dandi March from Ahmedabad to Dandi seashore in Gujarat to break the law made by the British. Let us start our first section, observation. Question 1. Observe pictures and write answers. 1. Soap case. A soap case floats on water. 2. Stone. A marble / stone sinks in water. 3. Iron nail. An iron nail sinks in water. Ship. A big ship can float on water because of buoyant force. Then eggs. An egg sinks in normal water and floats on salty water. Now see the question from identification section. Here is our question. Give 2 examples. 1. Things that sink in water. Stone, soap. Number 2. Things that float on water. Wood, leaf. Number 3. Soluble things in water. Salt and sugar. And number 4. Insoluble things in water. Oil and soil. Soluble means things which mix completely in water, and insoluble means do not mix completely in water. See question number 2. Mark right against the things that dissolve and wrong against the things that do not dissolve. First, sand. Yes, sand do not dissolve in water. Second, curd. Yes, it dissolves in water. Number 3, wood. No. Number 4, blood. Yes. Number 5, salt. Yes, it dissolves in water. 6, oil. No. 7, sugar. Yes. And last, stone. No. See question number 3. Name 2 ways which help salt and sugar to dissolve faster. Here is our answer. For dissolving sugar and salt fast, you can use following methods: by stirring and by heating. By using these 2 methods, you can dissolve sugar or salt quickly in water. See question number 1. Why do things float on water? Answer. Things float when they are positively buoyant or less dense than the water. Question number 2. Why do things sink in water? Answer. If the object means things is more dense than the water, then it will sink in water. Object will float or sink. It's depend on density of that object. Means if the density of the object is less than water, then it float, and if the density of the object is more than the water, at that time the object will sink in water. See next question, question number 3. Why does a steel needle or pin sink while a steel bowl or boat float? Answer: a pin sinks because its surface area is less. A bowl or boat have large surface area and they displace much water than their own weight. That's why they float on water. Next, question number 4. Why do clothes dry faster in summer? Answer: clothes dry faster in summer because of sun's heat. Water from cloth evaporates faster. Then question number 5. Why does oil float on water? Answer: oil is less dense than water and therefore it floats to the surface. Next, question number 6. Why does egg sink in tap water and float on salt water? Answer: the density of the egg is higher than the density of tap water, so it sinks. When enough salt is added to the water, the salt water solution's density becomes higher than the eggs, so the egg will then float. Question number 7. How can salt be obtained from seawater? Answer: when seawater is allowed to stand in shallow pits, water gets evaporated by sunlight and slowly turns into water vapor. See picture number 1. Then in a few days the water evaporates completely, leaving behind the solid salts. Common salt is then obtained from this mixture of salts by further purification. See the process of salt. From this picture you get an idea how salt be obtained from seawater. Hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching this video. Dear learner, give your valuable feedback in comment box. If you not subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe. Enjoy the learning. Thank you very much.